Introducing Roborock RockMow Z1. Engineered with an all-wheel drive system. 4 wheels, each with its own power. Designed for the toughest terrain, it easily masters slopes of up to 80%. High stepping stones, it glides right over. Active steering system maintains wheel control to ensure even mowing on slopes. It also ensures fluid, responsive movement, effortlessly navigating winding paths. Tackling uneven terrain, the dynamic suspension system keeps the mower firmly grounded. Meanwhile, the floating blade system adapts to every bump, delivering smooth and precise cuts. AI-powered mapping lets RockMow Z1 build maps automatically while distinguishing regular and restricted boundaries for peace of mind. Equipped with dual RGB cameras, it identifies various obstacles and adjusts its path accordingly. Shaded areas? No problem. RockMow Z1 maintains precise awareness even with weak satellite signals. 6 blades and a powerful motor cut through thick, lush grass effortlessly. Industry-leading press-to-edge blades cut within 3 centimeters of walls, reducing the need for manual edging. Pattern mowing lets you create flawless designs. RockMow Z1 seamlessly covers multiple zones, perfect for large lawns. Any lawn, any challenge. Roborock RockMow Z1.